Oops. All right. So I got a little edge here that I need to put glue on. So there's that. Let's wipe some of this. I'll wipe this glue off so while I'm organizing the next part, it won't just dry up on my brush. Okay. So next, the plane. I want it, like I said, I want it to be looking like this, just flying way up and over the trees. So let's get him all glued up. This is fun, and I think everybody's got their own little style of the way they like to do stuff. I think that this is cool. Some people might say it's cheating because I don't draw my own stuff, but people use all types of stickers and ephemera, and they use stencils and what's the other things that people are using? So I think I need to pull them down just a little bit more. Right there, I still want them to be going up like that. So everybody has a way that they're doing whatever it is you're doing. If it works for you, go ahead. Everyone's got their own style. Some people buy the they use, what's that, the Cricut to do oh boy, I can't call what it is now. When you buy the die cuts, they do die cuts. So I mean, some people are talented in drawing. That's not my forte. I know that. So this works for me. Now, I'm going to, like, well, I'm going to put this up here. Put this little cloud. See which way I want to orientate it, like that. There. I should have left a little bit more space, but it's too late now. And that's one thing that you have to do, though. You might have a beautiful idea. You have some little pieces that you might want to use, but you have to make sure that they fit in this, space that you have, because you want it to look, nice. I think that looks pretty good. Now, I'm going to add my last piece. And then, I got one more little thing that I want to do with you guys before I get finished. Oh, here it is. This is it. So this piece here, I know it looks a little awkward that it's right there, but it'll be okay. So we have to put the address, and that goes back to what I was saying about having space for your images. You have to do a little dry run with them, and I did, and even before I just wanted to see, and out of all the things that I could have done, this one seemed like this was going to be the best bet. So there we go. Okay, now let me wrap this brush in there while I try to put that down. Okay, now, so my address will go on this one, and then who I'm sending it to that'll go there. Now, the one last little thing I wanted to do was up here where you see he has his eyebrows here in that little space, and I just want to touch in there just a little teeny tap with, let me, trying to just get a little teeny tap of paint. I don't want a lot, just want a little corner to try to blend that into the sky. Just a little bit. So, and I'll take my Sharpie and go back around and fill in all of those white spots. So we don't want a lot of white spots. So we get ready to tap all that in right there. I'll put some more blue, some of this blue. Try to put some more of this blue in there. Try Okay. There we go. So that is my box. Turn it that way so you can see that side. And that's that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like our content, you want to see more of this, please click that subscription button and a notification bell so you know when I'm doing more things like this. And feel free to go down to the comment section and comment. Give me a big thumbs up if you like it. If not, and if you have some other ideas or some things that you'd like to see me do on this channel, let me know down in the comments section. So until next time, stay safe, be blessed, but most of all, stay connected to the true vine. Bye now.